Hey kings and queens, thank you so much for stopping and deciding to click on Anique and a K. That's me. No, but on this channel we talk about my paycheck budget, we talk about, you know, my weekly check-in, we talk about our saving challenges, and little baby what? We live a debt-free life on a credit card. Point blank period, okay? My theory is credit cards been finessing me all my life since I had a credit card. I need a little payback. I just be living my best life, okay? Get into it. So this is what you can look forward to, because little baby, I feel like you need to see this. You need to see where you're going. You need to see what you can do. We about to do some investing. We about to try and get this passive income together. We might even be getting a side income. All of that just to see the journey of where we going. So if you enjoy content like that, I hope you click one of the videos down below. I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button, and I hope you get into it, because I'm trying to show you what debt-free living looks like. Little baby, I just be doing what I want, okay? Because debt-free is a mood. Debt-free is an attitude, okay? Period. So anyways, guys, thank you for stopping by my channel. Thank you so much for clicking, and I hope you enjoy the content. I hope you decide to be a part of the family. And yeah, my name is Anique and a K, and I will see you guys soon.